Hey, what's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Car Trend, where classics get reborn and legends meet the future. Today, we're talking about something rare, something iconic, and something that's making a shocking comeback. Say hello to the 2026 Austin K2 truck. That's right, the old-school military and utility workhorse has been reborn for the modern age. Let's dive in. Now, before we jump into the new version, a little background. The original Austin K2i was a legendary British military truck used extensively during World War II. It was famous for its rugged reliability, simple construction, and battlefield toughness. Fast forward to 2026, and Austin is bringing the spirit of the K2 into a modern civilian pickup truck, blending rugged nostalgia with cutting-edge engineering. The new Austin K2 2026 is a full-size pickup with vintage cues. It pays tribute to the original silhouette while incorporating futuristic upgrades across the board. The body features military-inspired lines, flat fenders, and a tall, commanding presence. The grille, a beautiful modern take on the original wartime design, now flanked with LED circular headlights and DRLs that resemble vintage convoy lamps. Underneath all that rugged charm is a thoroughly modern platform. The K2 is built on a high-strength aluminum chassis, which makes it durable yet light for its size. And yes, it's fully electric. Austin has gone green with a dual-motor AWD setup producing 420 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. That means the K2 can go from 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds, but it still feels like a tank rolling over rough terrain. It comes with adaptive air suspension, multiple off-road modes, and locking differentials. Whether you're tackling the urban jungle or heading off into the wild, the K2 is built to handle it all. The range: expect around 310 miles on a full charge, with support for ultra-fast charging, up to 80% in about 30 minutes using DC fast chargers. And since this truck nods to its utilitarian roots, it offers a robust 1,800 pound payload and towing capacity north of 9,000 pounds. Step inside and you're in for a surprise. While the outside screams rugged retro, the interior is luxury modern. You'll find vegan leather seats with digital stitching patterns that echo the British military cross. A wide 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center, powered by Austin's custom UX, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated Alexa support. There's also a fully digital driver display, ambient cabin lighting with vintage green hues, and even a few Easter eggs referencing the original World War II design, including a hidden compartment labeled Field Gear. Storage is smart and versatile, with under-seat cubbies, a center console that doubles as a workstation, and a power rear outlet panel for tools or camping setups. When it comes to safety, the K2 doesn't compromise. You've got blind spot assist, lane keep, 360-degree camera, rear cross-traffic alert, and forward collision braking with pedestrian detection. Plus, over-the-air updates keep the tech sharp without visiting a dealer. Now, price-wise, the 2026 Austin K2 isn't cheap. It's expected to start at around $68,000, but that's the price you pay for a rare blend of history, modern power, and one-of-a-kind design. To wrap it up, the Austin K2 2026 is more than a truck. It's a tribute, a reinvention of a military legend into a bold, electric off-roader for modern adventurers. If you want something that stands out from the Fords, Rams, and Rivians, this might just be your truck. What do you think? Would you daily drive the K2? Or is this a collector's dream only? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Trend, and turn on notifications. Because the next legend might be rolling up sooner than you think. Until next time, drive bold, stay classic. WWII High Voltage United Kingdom.